Hey there, YouTube. I got some more bad news. Nothing to do with digital life, but in real life, someone broke into my dad's truck and vandalized it. I'm very pissed, actually angry, because I've been going to college to be an automotive technician, and they broke the door won't shut all the way on the driver's side. Give me some fresh air. Sorry. That's the pick of that Chevy. Yeah, show you what they did. They broke the handle. I thought it looked like they almost smashed the window. Well, it wasn't shattered. That's what I mean by shattered. See, it won't shut. Luckily, they didn't get the tires that we had for the pickup. Come, they restored the license plate. I was gonna drive this pickup, to get some fuel. And plus the storm only passed as garbage cans were knocked over. Whoa! Luckily they didn't mess with my dad's first work vehicle. Although they did smash it on the window. Well, they could have done the same thing with that. They only done to that. I don't want to show you anymore. I gotta get going. Bye.